Hi, this is Neeraj Jaiswal and welcome to this episode. In this episode, I am going to add the event handler for the percentage button. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll click the calculator script and start making the changes. So the first thing I need to do is to write the function for the handler. So I'll just name it as on percentage pressed. No parameter required as I know that it's a percentage button. Now I'll need to know the value in the text. So I'll just copy this part here and paste it here. I don't require this line, the press number. I don't, so I'll just remove this if condition. I only need to basically know the number which is there in the result text. The next thing is the operation which needs to happen here is the new number is equal to number by 10 or rather 100. So number by 100. So this is the operation which should happen and the text should be saved to the text of the result. So this is the function which is required. We'll go back to Unity. We'll just run it and check whether everything is fine here. Good. It's built successfully. Now we'll go back to Unity editor and then we'll select the button and we'll add the on click handler here. We'll click on plus. We'll drag the script object here and then we are going to select the percentage pressed. We'll just save it and run and check whether everything is working perfectly. So 698, so it's like percentage is working. So I'll just run it once more and I'll use the 2.36 percentage. So it's working perfectly. So we'll go ahead and that's all in this episode. Keep rocking and happy coding.